Hey there, what's up? Our OKX.com data scraper is now ready. In this short video, I will show you how to use this tool and all of its amazing features. Once you get zip file from me, once you extract it, you'll just need to find and open this exe file. Okay, this is user interface of our bot. So first of all, you will need to type your email here. Once you type, you will not need to type again in future. Okay, the bot will remember it. And this is the seconds. Once the bot checked all the 50 items here in this listing, it will take break for seconds, which will provide. If you choose 0 second, it will immediately start again to search from one again and again. Okay, and this is the item range. So this is first item, this is first, this is second, so it's till 50. So here you will be able to choose 1 to 50, or it's your own choice. So I am going to choose from 1 to 50, and this is the percentage level. Let me show how this percentage will work. Let's say we come here and apply this filter new to old, so that we can find the latest one. So this is the price and this is the price. There is some difference. Okay, so if the difference is greater than the provided percentage, then the bot will add that reference serial number to our email, and otherwise it will skip that. And this is the price range. This is the price range. So you said that our price range was about $99 to $300. Okay, and I am going to choose 60 seconds. I want to give 1 minute wait before restarting. Okay, once you put all the information, just click start button. Okay, now the bot is scraping data and checking the prices. Except item range between, you can change your all the information here during the scraping. So you can't change item range. You can also change this one and this one during scraping, and you can also pause or resume from here. And if you want to know how to use this bot, just click this button. You will find this video. And to save our time, I'm going to make the video 10x faster. Okay, our bot is near to complete, and after that it will send the email with the scrapped information under this criteria. Now this is last one. Now it is sending the email. Once it's sent, and it will clear all the cookies to avoid blocking issues from this website, and rechecking will start in 50 seconds, these seconds. So I'm going to pause it. Let's see our email. As this is demo, that's why I used my email. Okay, we have received the updates from DevAlpha. So here the information. This is our range name 1 to 50. This one 1 and 50. And this is the listing page. If you click it, you will go in this folder that shows it's scrapped from this page. And here page links, and these links are not same. Each page have different link behind it. Okay, so this was our criteria. First, see the price range from 99 to 300. So this price is out of our range. This is 2 and this is also. So this is okay, it's okay, and it's okay, and this one also. And what's about that? Because our percentage was 33%. So if it is greater than 33%, it will also scrap, not mattering that what the price it has. So it will perform both actions, percentage and pricing. Okay, so it will scrap coin name and that space coin link. For example, this is cats. If I click this, I will go on this page. And let's say if we want to nost, click this page and we will come here. And this is the serial number of that item, and this is the first price, this one, and this is the second price, this one, and this is the percentage of their difference, and this is the price that has been scrapped from this one. Okay, so this is our bot. If you have any questions, please let me know. I will be very happy to assist out. Thank you very much.